Welcome to the DMV. What's the purpose of your visit?
We're looking for dancer licenses.
Occupation?
Dancers.
Have you ever been here before?
No, I have not, but I'm a big believer in y'all's mission statement to create a space for beginner to intermediate dancers to grow, train, and...
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Are you ready to take your test?
Absolutely not.
What's your name?
That's a good question. What is our name?
DMV. Gonna wait in line for half an hour. DMV. Gonna wait for my ticket to be called. DMV. Gonna get my license and new registration. DMV. And we're gonna have a ball. Everybody now DMV. Gonna wait in line for another hour. DMV. Gonna wait for my ticket to be called. DMV. Gonna get my license and new registration. DMV. And we're gonna have a ball. Yeah.
Listen, man, I already got you a dime. Beyonce making good types, man. Nah. Is that true, man? Okay. I just want to know. I mean, shit, to be honest with you, man.
About the way we rockin', like we gotta have a separate title or something. Gotta be on TV like an idols or something. Cause it's one of a kind. What we do is crazy. What's your name? Never come stress. Every day's a rush. Always cracking jokes. It always make me blush. I could stand the world if it was just us. Every day you love me so. Never let you go. easily. You found the goal and it only took a couple. Keep going! Come on! You said that you wanted to give me the world. Good for you, I guess that you're working on yourself. I guess the therapist found that you should really help. Now you could be a better man for your brand new girl. I guess you need to believe me.
Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm one of the directors of DMV. So when we started this team at the end of the quarter, I'm being moved. When we started this team at the beginning of the quarter, we met up as an L-ship. And we discussed some goals that we had in mind. And the first and foremost was that we'd be able to pass on our passion for dance to the kids. And yeah, and so I think, based on the performance today, I think we did a good job of that. And so, I'm really proud of everything I was pushed through this quarter. It's been a hell of a quarter. There was COVID, there was online, there was all these different things we did. But I'm so proud of you guys for pushing through and just producing an awesome set today. And even if you don't continue dancing, I hope this is an experience that you cherish for the rest of your lives.
Yeah, I also want to say that I'm beyond proud of this team. All the hard work, all the long nights we put in with each other. I'm really proud of you guys for that. The team, the family that we've created really inspires me to keep dancing every day. Watching you guys work hard in the parking lot and bond together, it gives me more joy and more inspiration for my dancing as well. I feel like every day this term, I kind of woke up tired, but my heart was full, and that's what matters. And I'm really honored to have this opportunity to direct for you guys. And I want to say thank you to my L-ship for carrying me through this quarter. Thank you to those that inspire me to keep dancing outside of the space. Our choreographers, Rachel and Jen, and those who trained us, Fatsoul, Bianca, Zink, and Derek. Oh yeah, and Derek, and my Sama family, and those outside who inspire me as well. Yeah.
Is this working? Okay, cool. So thank you all for coming out to support these beautiful people, but if it's cool, I'm going to ignore you're here for a second so I can talk directly to them. Now, I want y'all to listen to what I'm about to say very carefully. Turn around, look at the people to your left, to your right, behind you, in front of you. Breathe. The fact that you're here, surrounded by the people you're looking at on the stage right now, is proof that at least one point in your life, you have been so profoundly loved. You were loved passionately, you were loved deeply, and because this is DMV, you were loved kind of weirdly. But like, sure, we as L-ship built the house, but you made that house a home. And you're not even on DMV, like not really. You are DMV. This is a space that you created as much as us, and that space is somewhere I came over this quarter and I felt loved and safe at a time that I really, really, really needed it. Now, to y'all, I want to thank Bia, Liva, and Celine for trusting me and my co's and my captains with this team and introducing me to Jake, Lenny, Karyn, and Ann in the process. Directing's been a dream of mine for the last 3 years. Thanks to everyone on and off the stage, that dream culminated tonight. So, thank you for everything you've given me.
Okay, I won't say much, but yeah, I'm glad that we were able to build a team that is close like this. I feel like week 3, when we first started going to this quarter, you guys were all strangers, but now that it's week 10, there's friends, people who are more than friends. And yeah, I'm glad that we were able to build this family, and I'm thankful for you guys for being part of it, and thank you for joining Foundations and being a part of our team.
I feel a lot of pressure being the last one.
What's okay?
I love you guys all very much. Going into this quarter, I can't cry yet. Okay. I was really anxious and like really nervous because we did start off the quarter half online, half in person. We were scared that, as Elsha, we were scared like, oh my gosh, how do we keep you guys engaged? How do we make you guys love dance? And how do we make you guys like, I wanted to come in and meet my family, like meet family. And you guys honestly exceeded all of our expectations. You guys are like the best kids I've ever had, and the only kids I've ever had. But you know, I'm really happy and really grateful to meet and have talked to each and every one of you guys. You guys have all taught me something so different, and I've grown so much out of this quarter because of you guys and also my amazing eldership. And I hope that we can all stay a family and come and vibe, and I will miss Tuesdays and Thursdays nights with all of you guys.
Aww.